Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stake in Binance. First, navigate to the Earn section on the Binance platform. Look for Staking to explore available options. Staking lets you earn passive income on your crypto holdings. It's a great way to grow your assets over time. Binance provides a user-friendly interface to manage your staked funds easily. This process is straightforward and secure. Once in the staking section, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for staking. Each coin displays its estimated annual percentage rate, or APRA, and the duration options. For example, you might see options for 30, 60, or 90 days. Locked staking generally offers higher returns, while flexible staking allows you to unstake your assets at any time. Choose the option that best suits your investment strategy. After selecting your preferred staking product, you will need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Binance will then display a summary of your order, including the estimated rewards and the lockup period if you chose locked staking. Carefully review all the details to ensure they align with your expectations. Once satisfied, confirm your order to initiate the staking process and start earning rewards. You can easily monitor your staked assets and accumulated rewards directly within your Binance wallet. When your locked staking period concludes, your assets and earnings will automatically return to your spot wallet. For flexible staking, you can unstake at any time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. It's important to understand the unstaking process to manage your funds effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.